Okay, so you might have realized, if not, I'm telling you right now, that we haven't talked about the immutability property here. In theory, this is well represented because the append is the only way that we can modify our records through our class, and there are no methods that we have created to update or delete records. Okay, even our read and the read from method only access existing data, but we can bypass that and try to uh, break this immutability, okay, using the list. So just to illustrate that, say I have here first value 1, 2, 3 and key value, all right? So let's print what we have here on the position number 1, which is 1, 2, 3. If I go ahead in the records and directly try to update this value, so I'm saying give me the value from the position 1 and assign the updated value, maybe let's call it 456. And let's go ahead and print this again. Okay. 1, 2, 3 was before, and I was able to modify this. All right. So the challenge for you right now is to go ahead and try to implement or change our log test function, our simple log class, and all of the methods. You can think about tuples or anything like this. So you can really guarantee immutability and do not allow values to be deleted or changed. Okay, this is a challenge for you. There will be no solution. Just go ahead and try it for yourself. All right.